Kurumirira ndugamano iria ikoretwo igumeire thibitari nene ya Kenyatta, riu wira munene utigeirwo bodi ya Arigitani guthuthuria arigitani aria matabanirie guthinjwo kwa murwaru uria utagireire. No uthuthuria uyu ugithiaga na mbere, arigitani aria matabanirie giko kiu aria mararugamitio wira riu nimacoketio wira, guku uthuthuria ugithiaga na mbere. Uthuthuria uyu ugutabanio ni bodi ya Arigitani iria Muikariri giti wayo ni Professor George Magoha.
Request Kenyatta National Hospital to withdraw the suspension that was given to the registrar or registrars. This is because we have now received the file with all the details plus statements of all those people who are involved, and the law requires that we hold a preliminary inquiry committee which will take place next Thursday.
Mwena-ini wake, Ndagitari Thomas Muite uria niwe murugamiriri thibitari-ini ino ya Kenyatta kwa ihinda, augite gutire ihera ringi arigitani aya mekuheo.
We have left this matter to the relevant regulatory board, which is mandated by law to look into incidents of this nature. So we leave the matter of the registrar and the doctors who were involved in this operation to the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board. They will do their work and then advise us accordingly.
Ona kuhana uguo, Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Cecily Kariuki ni ugite bodi iyo ya arigitani yagirirwo kuheana ripoti yayo kwa ihinda ria thiku 7 ciukite.
I expect 2 reports from these 2 boards. One, tomorrow I expect the prelim report from the board of Kenyatta National Hospital following the directive issued last Friday at the hospital. I also expect the second report of findings by the Medical Practitioners Board 7 days from today to allow them to go deep into the matter and within the law.
Atongoria yari ni moritie aruti a wira aria othe maigite miro yao thi macoke wira makiuga gutire ukuoero ikinya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.